What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be trying Japanese style Fanta. So, yeah, they have orange, pear, and mango. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna try is the orange. So, yeah, let's see. The only style of Fanta I had in America is the is the orange flavored one, and I guess the grape one. So yeah, but. That one is very sour.
And it's supposed to be the premier Fanta. Oh look, this one has marigold flowers in it. And orange.
Next one I'm trying is peach. And it smells very good. And I've never tried a peach flavored soda, so yeah. It smells really good because when I opened it, like, I don't know, all the smell went into the air, I guess. It tastes way better than the orange one. The orange one was kind of sour, and I don't really like sour stuff, so I guess this one's better for me.
This one it actually has white peach in it and yellow peach in it. Because, you know, most sodas don't even have like real fruits in it.
Okay, now I'm gonna try the last one, which is the grape flavor.
And it's not as purple as like the US one, right?
Mm-hmm. It's kind of.
Oh, did you see that little mist that came out?
Transparent, I guess. That's like everything. This one's very good. It has a good taste, I guess, but it kind of smells like wine. The smell.
That's good.
But yeah, this one's probably the best one, the grape one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's check out the back of the, put some like real grapes inside this. Well, I don't see any actual grape in it. But they're pretty good, right? Or you didn't like this? You didn't like the orange one?
The orange one was good, but just, I don't know, I don't like
sour.
sour.
On the sour side.
Yeah.
And that was the first time I'd ever seen any soda that has like flower in it, because that one had marigold. The marigold is like those yellowish flowers. Ever seen those?
Probably for color. Okay, well that's it, I guess. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.